Kathy again from Nature Works, and I'm going to show you how to make a crown, a nature crown. So what you'll need for this is a piece of card or paper, and what I like to do is put double-sided sticky tape on one side. This is by far the easiest way to do this. So what you need to do is peel off the double-sided sticky tape. Make sure you throw that away properly, and you can, these are all, make these made to measure, so I'm going to measure that round like that so it's just the right size for my head, and then I'm going to take it off so that I can add some leaves and some flowers that I've actually taken from my garden today. But you can do this at any time of year, so I'm just going to start sticking a few bits and pieces on. I've got a little elm leaf here. I've got some field buttercup. I thought that was a really lovely shaped leaf. Got another buttercup here. So you can stick anything you like on there. It's lovely activity to do in the autumn, actually, when you've got lots of autumn colours to collect. So I'm just going to start filling this up. I've got a little bit of red campion there that I'm going to pop on. What have I got at this end? I've got a little bit of red campion. It's all over my garden at the moment. I really love it. Oh, and I found these lovely grass seed heads as well. I might even just stick that on lengthways so I fill up the rest of the gap with that. Right, there is my crown. You can take as long as you like over this, and you could do it on a walk along a footpath. Obviously don't take any special plants. If you see something special looking plant like an orchid, you don't want to pick that for your crown. But common plants like these dock leaves, things like that, would be perfect. So I'm going to try mine on now. There we go. That's my nature crown. Really simple activity to do, but if you're going for a walk along the footpaths, take a crown with you, and you can stick some bits and pieces on as you walk along. Okay, thanks very much.